Hey guys, this is Fundo on Rupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Tando and Bali fight for Bexisa, and it seems like they do wrong things to each other. And Tando tells Bali that he will show the flames and he wants to pay a revenge on Mbali. After Mbali put more spice on the food of Tando. While Nairobi tells Tando to follow the rule for a certain book in order to get her man with her dignity intense. Poppy blames Nomusa for their plague light. Zagiti gets a stranger warning from one of her border member, while Nkulego tells Nokzola that he tries to investigate where is the child, and it seems like Nokzola becomes furious when he hears Kulego that he is trying, but she does not want to listen Kulego. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.